Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to go over this real quick. These are your rights. Take a copy and of this and blow it up and put it on your wall. You know what I mean? And people enter your house, you have a big copy of this blowed up on your wall, and you stand on that. These are your rights. This is the Bill of Rights. Go ahead on Google and go ahead on to Google and type in Bill of Rights. Get you a copy of it. Know these from 1 all the way down to 10. And like I said, this is your rights, and you need to have a copy of this. Get at it. You can use it as a present. You know what I mean? Get it to your people, wrap it up and put it in the envelope for Christmas. Give them the Bill of Rights. You understand what I'm saying? If that's what y'all celebrate Christmas. Give them the Bill of Rights. Just send it to them as a thank you. You know what I mean? And it's gonna help them. And like I said, I think it's great. That you I think it's great that you have a copy of this, man. This is a part of your history and a part of your rights. That's already secured. You go here for your rights. Don't start making up nothing. You know what I'm saying? Just go here. And other documentations. You know what I'm saying, to go along with it. So I'm Moorish American National. And like and comment, hit that bell notification for any updates. I do these little videos, in my spare time, throw them out there, and I want people to understand that, you have hope, and start holding people accountable. You know what I mean? They all got to follow this, and the Constitution. You start holding people accountable. Don't worry about the corporations. Hold the people accountable that work behind the corporations. Okay. Go after their bonds. Go after their indemnity bonds. All right. In other words, layman term insurance. The insurance bonds. When they practice on you, and it's like a doctor. He got malpractice insurance. He practice on you and something go wrong, he has insurance. You make enough of complaints, he'll get out the way, or he'll lose his job, or and all kind of different things happen. It push up his insurance premiums. All kind of things happen, and too many complaints, he probably went better. So you got to complain against people who are trying to take your rights and throw them down the trash. And it's not going to be tolerated, because we're going to teach our people about their nationalities and their rights. So I'm Moorish American National, and I'm out.